So there's this new trend in the crypto market called the x402, which is essentially tied to AI agents. This is set to bring automation fully into AI agents, lessening human intervention. If you are curious on what it is, well, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Republic Labs YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about x402 and what it is, and also how to capitalize on it. So as you can see here, the x402 trend is currently growing. In news portals such as CryptoPanic.com, you can see there are a lot of news regarding it. A lot of blockchains are currently connecting to the mechanism. As you can see here, Cardano is integrating with x402 and also BNB chain. Also, other EVM-based blockchains are currently connecting to the x402 mechanism. One of the examples is Mega ETH. Essentially, all of the blockchains that have DeFi on it is currently trying to integrate with x402. Also, looking at platforms such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, currently there's a new category called the x402 ecosystem, which are essentially projects or coins or tokens that are connected or integrated with x402. Most of these projects are infrastructure projects, essentially enabling x402. As you can see here, the appreciation or the gain of these tokens has been wild. In the last 7 days, some tokens has gone up for almost 3,000%, and also some has 500%. In the last 24 hours, most tokens in this category has exceed 50% price gain and are nearing 100%. So, by this data, you can see that the trend is currently still growing. So, what is the x402 trend, and what is it exactly? To understand this, x402 is basically a mechanism that enables automation in terms of payment and transactions on the internet through AI agents. As you can see here, it is stated that it is an open protocol for internet-native payments. So it essentially enables transactions or payments on the internet without human interventions. So why is it called 402? This is because it is built around the HTTP 402, which is an error code when a payment is required. This is why it is called the x402, so that this notification of error will not show up again. As you can see here, some of the benefits of the x402 is that it requires no fees and it enables instant settlement. And also, it is frictionless. And it's blockchain agnostic, meaning it's not connected to any blockchain, but can connect to all blockchains. Also, it is secure and web native, so it is made for the internet, especially web-based applications. To understand the context of the x402, we need to take a look at some AI agents. One of the examples is AIXBT. As you can see here, AIXBT is one of the AI agents that usually gives out information regarding on-chain analysis or tokens. However, its functionality is limited to only giving out information, as it cannot log in to its own Twitter account. So, this still requires human intervention, which is why the x402 was created, so that AI agents like AIXBT can directly log in into its Twitter account or social media account without the need for human intervention. Another example is AskTheHive.ai, which is an AI agent on Solana. As you can see here, the Hive is an AI agent that is live on Solana. Its functionality is to give information regarding tokens that are potential, essentially being an AI agent that focuses on research. However, on its white paper, it is stated that it can help with transactions. However, it is still limited due to no mechanisms yet that can connect the AI agent through user's wallet. As you can see here, when tested, it can only give out information and it cannot assess transactions of the user. This is proven through an unconnected wallet and a connected wallet, as both still does not give the result that we wanted, which is to transact automatically. This is where the x402 comes along, as it gives access to the AI agent so that users can transact automatically through the AI agent from their wallet. This is why, according to the white paper of x402, the wallet of the user plays a huge role in this mechanism. So later on, the AI agent will have access to the wallet that is connected through the x402 mechanism, so that transactions can happen automatically. As you can see here, there are a couple of applications and services that are already live on the x402 ecosystem, essentially enabling the mechanisms of the x402. Most of these are infrastructure or services that can connect a user to making their AI agents more automated. One of the easiest examples is the Heroes agent. Essentially an AI agent that provides research and provides ease of transaction automatically. Essentially, by integrating x402 through Heroes, you can have an AI agent that does research for you and then trade for you through your wallet. So this means that you can make money while trusting your AI agent and not doing anything. However, another example is Aeon. where essentially you can connect your AI agent to your everyday business operation. So let's say you're a business owner that needs supply for your goods. Let's say you are a co-packer that needs boxes. So you need to supply your business with boxes every week. So this means that you need to order boxes every week and you need to pay every week for your transactions. The AI agent simplified this process so that you don't need to order. Through Aeon, your AI agent can help with this transaction, essentially ordering the boxes every week and then paying for them. This minimizes human error in case you forgot and your operation doesn't get stuck. So the implementation of x402 is not only limited to crypto trading or financial transactions, as it can also help with operations in terms of businesses. Currently, one of the examples that is currently trending is Coinbase, as Coinbase was one of the first to implement the x402 mechanism. So essentially, you can connect your AI agent to Coinbase, essentially letting the AI agent trade your Coinbase account. So, if you want to try it out, the first step is you need to click this button here, which is in the x402 website, and then you need to click try it out. After that, you need to pay to use the x402 mechanism. This is because there is a payment gateway to access the protected content from x402. So essentially, you need to pay $0.01 in USDC in the Besapolia testnet. All you need to do if you don't have any is click the faucet here. And then after that, if you don't have the network connected to your wallet, just click connect wallet and then pay. If you don't know where to start, you can start by using the Eliza OS as your framework to create your own AI agent. All you need to do is just click the docs and then ask AI to help you build your own AI agent. The AI that you can use is average AI, such as ChatGPT or Gemini. And after that, you're all set. So overall, the innovation of x402 is really amazing and interesting. So if you want to try it out, I suggest you head over to x402.org. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like contents like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you guys are notified when we next upload. Cheers, guys!